Vibes with Yuki. So today, finally, I have decided to make a get ready video with me. So, would have seen in the caption itself that I'm gonna style my dad's shirt. See you in the video.